Hey guys, it's Ultimate Arceus 3333. Anyway, we're back. Now let's see. Last house is just up ahead. Now don't try and touch the fires here because they'll drain your HP every time you hit one. And what's this? What's that guy doing? Oh, he was real smart. Alright. Just need to see what happened to fuel. And lighter. But first let's fight this Yam monster. You see, whenever you see those little notes, that's because I was hitting perfectly to the beat. It's really helpful because what was originally 11 damage became 19. Really helpful. And yay, it's defeated. Now, Yam Monster can actually give us some good healing items. Like, for one, he just gave us a nut bread. But he can also give a baked yam, which restores a lot more HP. 50. And yay, we just leveled up. So, just continuing. These guys give out a lot of effort, apparently. And we face yet another. Now be careful because boss fight is coming up like real soon. But first let's check on Lighter. Lighter! Hey! Lighter! You alright? Let's see, he's on the floor. I don't really think he's alright. Flint. Oh, and Thomas. Dang. Yeah, I know it says damn it, but I don't really cuss, so I'm just gonna fill them with different words. Ugh. I try to beat these things up, but more just keep coming. Can't get past them. What is that thing? A bug? Dunno. They're going around forest, lighting fire, so that's what they were doing. Never mind that. Fuel's still at home. What? Fuel's still in your shack? Flint, you go help Fuel. I'll look after Lighter. Yeah, you take the easy job. Ooh, let's check out this giant piece of wood, though. After you pick up this wood, boss fight will immediately happen, but you do get a chance to equip first. It'll be completely useless otherwise. That doesn't make sense. Ah, bugs. Apparently these bugs aren't really hard, because you have this ability called Swing, allowing you to hit every enemy. In fact, in 2 turns, I'll completely defeat all these guys. See? Now just attack him like normal. Yay! Now, Tom's Leisure Party, but he wasn't really helpful anyway. And if you talk to this barrel fodder, you'll actually save. Trust me, you'll find frogs everywhere, in every manner. So he hides back in the barrel. And there's lighter! I mean fuel! But, mouse? Huh. Now I gotta heal myself. Think we got all those nut cookies. Alright, that's good enough. You should probably bust into it. Oh yeah, I forgot. You have to dash into it. So yeah. And you'll see this mouse just run around. Try going up the stairs, and this mouse will attack you. Now this is also a very easy fight, because if he uses Power Smash ability, which is an automatic smash attack, although it doesn't hit very often, will instantly kill this guy, doing over 100 damage. Now if only I could hit him. And we just gained a level. Peculiar cheese. This is very peculiar. Anyway, now to get through you have to dash, so now let's speak to him. Mr. Flint! Feed their fuel into your care. Yay! Oh boy, we better get out. And now we're covered in soot. Wow, I'm pitch black and covered in soot, but I'm alive. Oh, you're pitch black too, Mr. Flint. Thank you, Mr. Pitch Black Flint. Thank you so much. So much, Mr. Pitch Black Flint. Oh yeah, we need to let my dad know I'm okay. Probably worried sick about me somewhere. Alright then. Oh yeah, it's a pretty good idea to save. So let's try and get out. I'm just gonna run through the flames so I don't have to fight. As you can see, it does drain you 1 HP every time you hit a flame, so yeah, it's not a really good idea because slowly it'll drain a lot of your health. Oh yeah, let's tell you something funny. Look. Look, not only your head is covered in soot. That's funny looking. And I'm probably going to cut off here because I just ran out of time. So I hope you can see my next part, or finally reunite Theo with his father Lighter. I hope to see you soon.